teach you. So today in this video, we're gonna look at a little bit of hair flicks, bit of hip work. And this is a really good workout actually for your abdominals. So before I teach you, we go any further, you know the drill. Please hit follow and subscribe, and then you can come and dance with me. Okay, so warm up first. I've got loads of warm up videos and videos you can use on my page for warm ups. Then come and see me. Off we go. So, do you like my costume? I love it. Anyway, let's move on. So we're going to bend the knees first. Let's do our loose shimmy. Put the weight into the heels of your feet. Float your arms out to the side. Classical position. Chest elevated, shoulders down, long neck. You know the drill by now. Keep the shimmy going. I'm just going to turn it down a little bit. Right. We're going to whack it back up in a minute. So, with the heels on the floor, scissor your thighs forward and back. Your hips are going to go up towards your ribs in a vertical line. In my school, we call this the loose shimmy. Okay, and hands are out. So 8, tummy strong, 7, 6, 5, 4. Your speed of your shimmy is directly related to how fast you scissor your legs, okay? So it's nothing to do with, oh, how quickly can I shake my butt? No, use your legs, okay? And always have a bend. So in my school, Mr. Belly Dance School, whether it's live on Zoom or in studio or on the subscription page where you have access to all the recordings, everything is broken down in much, much more detail than this, okay? But come and dance with me, let's have fun for now, and then come and join me in real class and I teach you properly, okay? Now I want you to do this. So you're just gonna do bend, tiptoe, plie, releve, plie, releve, plie, releve, plie, releve. Tummy strong, plie, releve, plie, releve, plie, releve, plie, releve. All right, from here, we're gonna do, we're just gonna do basic twist. So soften the knees, engage the tummy, try to keep your chest at 12 o'clock. Imagine you're standing in the middle of a clock and your chest and your chin and everything is pointing at 12 o'clock, okay? And it's just your hips that are rotating. Now I'm not squeezing anything, so if you're a belly dancer already and you already know how to lock your muscles, try not to squeeze anything. Everything is really loose for this one. Tummy is strong and loosen those hips. So my hip is going towards my belly button, towards my belly button, towards my belly button, towards my belly button, towards my belly button. And I'm just nice and loose with it. And I'm not making it that big actually. My hip's probably moving inwards about 3 inches maybe, yes. So try to keep your chest and your chin really still. You're gonna want to move everything with you, but you try not to, okay? Keep the knees bent. Make sure your knees are not wobbling all over the place either, okay? Posture, chest lifted, shoulders down, long neck. Are you breathing? Please breathe. For 4, 3, 2. Okay, so we're gonna try and keep this going. Now, if you've just eaten dinner, not a good idea because you're gonna get a stitch. Please don't drink lots of water until the end because you'll get a big stitch, okay? So this area here is like wringing out a towel, and that's what's happening. So you're actually doing really great things for your insides. It's like a massage, internal massage. Belly dancing is so good for you, especially the way I teach you, because I teach you to dance from the inside out using your muscles as much as possible. There's way more technique to it than this, so you have to come to class and learn from me properly. But anyway, so you're going to twist those hips like this, and you're going to come up onto tiptoe, and then down. Up onto tiptoe, and then down. Up onto tiptoe, and then down. Up, when I say down, my heels are going flat on the floor. Up and down. And I'm keeping my chest at 12 o'clock, so my chest is not rotating and spinning everywhere with me as well. Up and down. Up. You should feel it in these muscles here. Da 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 da. For 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's add in some hair flicks for fun, because no tutorial is a tutorial without a bit of a hair flick, okay? So let's do basic hip drops, and after every two hip drops, we're going to do a hair flick. So it's hip drop, classical position on this leg. I drop this hip. My posture, you should know the deal by now if you've been training with me for a while, right? It's hips down, ribs and chest up, shoulders down, long neck, smile. Let's get one hand on our head, ruffle your hair a little bit. drop, drop. And shout out to Tribal from the Trap for the music. If you do, you can use Tribal from the Trap music for everything actually. So if you're into social media and posting things and you want original music that's not going to get blocked, you can use Tribal from the Trap's music. Tribal from the Trap is also my style, tribal fusion, okay? Keep dancing with me. So what I do is I drop this hip, I'm going to squeeze my bum cheek really hard. Drop, 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 drop. Okay, ready? Posture. Try to let the chest move. Weight in the middle of the heel on the back foot. Drop, drop. Tummy strong. Breathing. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's change legs. Swivel on the balls of the feet. Land on the other side. Ruffle it a bit. Drop. Bend your back leg. Weight in the back heel, middle of the back heel. Tummy strong. And now we're dropping the hip nice and sharply. I like to imagine I've got a drum like this one. I got a drum underneath my bum and I'm trying to hit it on the beat. Bah. That drum, my drum, her name is Delilah. I nicknamed her Delilah. Delilah the drum. Often, hasn't happened for a while now for obvious reasons, but usually I stand on her and I spin on her and we have loads of fun together. We do back bends together. We do all sorts of stuff together. So that's Delilah. So it's drop, drop, drop. Bit faster now. Drop, 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 drop. Enjoy it. Is your back leg burning? Is it? Good. It's supposed to be. You're using your muscles. Drop, 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 drop. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to the front. Let's warm up our neck a little bit. So look to the side, to the side. Let's tap those heels. Coordination exercise. Now if it gets too much, leave the tap out. I'm literally just bouncing my heels on the beat. Bounce, 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 bounce. Okay, then our head's gonna go 1, 2, 1, 2. Keep the neck really long. We're preparing to flick our hair. 1, 2. Flick your hair like you just don't care. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now we're gonna go side to side. Long neck, long neck. Keep your shoulders down. Don't wanna see this. No. Long neck. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right. So let's place ourselves on the side, classical position, and we're just gonna do. When I drop down, we're gonna put our hands behind our back, and we're gonna flick our hair, and then flick it up. And when we come up, put your hand back on your head, put your hand out to the side, and we're gonna hip drops. So it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8. Faster. 1, 2, flick it. 1, 2, flick it. 1, 2, flick it. 1, 2. Okay, stop. Right. Let's go from the twists. Working out the belly. So this move is amazing. I nicknamed this the Turkish twist. Okay? And it's really good for your abs. Really, really, really good. If you've just eaten, it's gonna hurt, so be careful. All right, so off we go. If we just off flat feet first. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then up and down. 1, 2, up, down, up, down. When I say up, down, I'm going to tiptoe, flat feet, tiptoe, flat feet. Hands optional. It's harder to have both hands on your head, but you can play with it. Work those muscles. Keep your tummy strong. Yes. Keep your head and your neck long. Okay, 8 again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Drop, drop, hair, flick. Drop, drop, hair, flick. Drop, drop. One more step. Drop, drop. Face the front. Twist, twist. Fix your hair if it's everywhere. Up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down. Drop, drop, toss it. Drop, drop, toss it. Drop, drop, toss it. Hey! Side to side with those hips. All right. I suppose we better do a few on the other side just to keep it even because I don't trust you to do the other leg without me. Just gonna log off and go and have a cup of tea or something. So come to the side. And just in case that was a little bit too fast for you, let's do it in 4s on this side, just to change it up a little bit. So 4 hip drops will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Drop 1, 2, 3, 4. Hair and hair. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. And hair flick and toss it. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Flick it, flick it. 1. I call this horsey head. It's like when you shake it a little bit. 2, 3, 4. Shake it down, shake it up. 1. It's like you're saying, yeah, whatever, whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shake, shake. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And just to make sure you get a proper finishing workout, let's finish with our twists. Flat feet, tummy strong, shoulders down. Make sure your shoulders are not wobbling everywhere with you as well. Try to get your hands still in space so they're not doing this. No, no craziness. Come on. Tummy strong. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Up and down, up and down, up and down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Enough. Oh my God, thank you so much. Please, if you haven't already, hit follow, subscribe, like. New video is released every week, so you're very, very lucky. You get to dance with me every single week, something new. So come and tune in on that one. Also remember to come and dance with me from anywhere in the world live on Zoom. You just need to check out your time zone, obviously, and recording access is available after class. When you come to me on live on Zoom, I watch you, we talk, I give you feedback, I help, advice, tips, stylizations, all the details, loads of little secrets, all the good stuff. There's that option, and the other option is that you can go on to my website, MelissaBellyDance.com, and just subscribe to the videos only. So just the recording access if you can't come live. So you can come and do that as well if you like, or you can dance with me in person, and I will teach you in the flesh. Anyway, see you later. Bye.